Hey guys, welcome to Keynotes. In the previous video, we have seen JSP Action Tags such as JSP Include, JSP Forward, and we have seen JSP useBean. Also, along with JSP useBean, we have seen JSP setProperty and JSP getProperty. So that is an interesting video. Do please check and try the demo program and let me know if you have got any queries in the comment section. I'm there to help you out. In today's topic, I'm going to discuss JSP implicit objects. So these implicit objects are predefined variables, which you can use in the application. Already we have used this like out object and exception object we have discussed in the second video. So similar to that, we have a request, response, config, application, and session. So all these things under predefined variables as implicit objects in JSP. So I'm going to implement this session object for the demonstration purpose. So you can see that. So this is a session object is similar to HTTP session. So in servlets, we have seen this. We have used HTTP session and then we use get session and then we'll be using the session object, right? But here you have to just write session so that the session ID will get generated for the particular client. Okay, so means for the particular request. So here you can see that this is just index.html. So I have a form with one single text field and there is a button. The moment I click this go button, it should go to welcome.jsp. So in welcome.jsp, within the scriptlet tag, you can see that this I'm starting here and then I'm just closing it here. Scriptlet tag. And then this we generally do in servlets, right? Like string, a variable name is name equal to request.get parameter. And then this is the text field name, right? Over here, you can see that this is the text field name. And then I'm just with the welcome message, I'm just printing the text field value. Okay, that's it. Now I'm simply saying this session object. I'm just using session object, session dot set attribute. My attribute name is this. And then the value for my attribute is whatever is there in the text field. I'm just, calling the same thing. Means I'm passing the same thing. And then I have a hyperlink over here. Actually, this should come out of this. It will throw error if you put this hyperlink inside the scriptlet tag. All right. So it's good to use it after the scriptlet tag. All right. Now, when I click on the the hyperlink, it goes to the second.jsp where I'm going to just say session.getAttribute. There I'm setting the attribute, and then here I'm saying getting the attribute, and then I'm mentioning the attribute name. All right. And then I'm just going to print with this message hello, and then whatever is associated with this attribute, and then it is going to access the value for that. So it is going to just print the value which I've entered, right, in the text field. So and also we can check the session ID as well, that we have already explored in the servlets, like how to check the session ID in the browser. Okay, fine. Now let's dive into NetBeans and then we'll implement the same. Okay, you can see that the project JSP session, and I have index.html, second JSP, welcome JSP. So now I don't have web.xml because I'm starting with index.html here with the form. So this form says that there is one text field and one button. So the moment I click this go button, it should go to welcome JSP. Now let's open welcome JSP. And you can see that I have kept the hyperlink after the scriptlet tag. Okay, care should be taken in this step. So here I'm just using these three lines within the scriptlet tag. Request.get parameter. This is the text field name, and then so that whatever I have entered will be stored in the variable name. So I'm printing it here. Here, this step is important for us. Session object. This is an implicit object, right? So I'm saying session.set attribute. The attribute name is user, and the value I'm passing. The whatever is entered in the text field right now, it is stored in the variable name. So I'm passing the same. Okay, then there is a hyperlink to go to the second page. So if I open the second page here, again inside the scriptlet tag, I'm just saying that session dot get attribute and user. Why I'm typecasting here? Because it'll throw an error, like you can see that. So incompatible type, that is object cannot be converted into string, because session is an object, right? Implicit object, so which cannot be converted into string. So that is why we need to typecast it. Fine. Okay. So now if I run this code, and there is let's say uh, some name here, and then let me say go, and then now it is saying welcome, and then Ravikumarnatarajan. And then if I click on this second JSP page, it goes over there with this same name, and then it should print hello Ravikumarnatarajan. Now how to check the session ID? Control Shift I, and then you have to say Control R. Now click on this, and then just go down over here, and then you can see that under cookie, okay, this is the session ID. You can see, right? It just got created here. Fine. So until the session time out, so this particular name will get remembered. That is the purpose of using sessions, right? All right, to remember the user. Hope this is clear for you. And in the next video, we will implement the same thing with expression language, where we are going to minimize the lines of code. Fine. So that would be an interesting concept. Stay tuned for that. If you like the video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, and thanks for watching the video.